How to command iPhone to do anything. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Did you guys know that there is a iPhone feature that allows your iPhone to do anything from voice commands? So yeah, the feature is called voice command. So let's, find that out. Head over to settings. After you're on your settings, go to accessibility. On your accessibility, there you can see different options. So under physical and motor, you'll find voice control. Tap on it and you can toggle this on. After you've toggled this on, you can see the commands right here. These are all the available commands. You can go through all the commands here. And yeah, you can use this. You can say something like go back and it should go back like this. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.